Good afternoon and welcome everyone to IST Internship Abroad Series 1. Saya Arya Nugraha dengan bangga menjadi MC untuk acara perdana ini. Sebelum kita masuk ke sesi-sesi yang akan datang, izinkan saya memberikan pengantar singkat tentang ISTI untuk memastikan bahwa kawan-kawan semua memiliki pemahaman dasar tentang ISTI. ISTE or International Association for the Exchange of Students for Technical Experience adalah satu organisasi internasional yang bertujuan untuk memberikan kesempatan kepada mahasiswa-mahasiswa di seluruh Indonesia untuk dapat mengikuti program pertukaran pelajar dalam bentuk magang atau internship. IST hadir untuk membantu mahasiswa seperti kawan-kawan semua untuk mengikuti magang dari berbagai negara. Mungkin ada yang bertanya-tanya, apakah IIST hanya membantu dalam proses preparation dan keberangkatan aja? Kalau udah di luar negeri, apakah kita sendiri? Nah, the answer for that is obviously no. Jika kalian menjalankan internship dengan ISTI, kalian juga akan disambut oleh rekan-rekan ISTI dari negara tujuan kalian. Kalian akan dijaga dan juga dirawat oleh rekan-rekan ISTI kami. So, don't be afraid to do an internship abroad with ISTE. Sekarang menuju inti dari acara kami. Jika kata-kata pembuka tadi adalah appetizer, mungkin sesi sharing ini bisa dibilang seperti main course-nya ya. Sudah bergabung dengan kami hari ini adalah sahabat dari ISTE Indonesia, Kritapas Compomart atau yang biasa kita panggil Mesin. Mesin, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can. Great. So, are you ready to share your internship experience?
Okay.
So, yeah, that's great. Then I'll pass the spotlight to you.
Can you see the slide?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to listen to my sharing internship experience. Let me introduce myself. My name is Kitapa Shumpumat, the third year student at the Department of Mechanical Engineering Technology at King Mongkut University of Technology, North Bangkok, Thailand. Last summer, I had the opportunity to do an internship in Indonesia at Universitas Atmajaya Yogyakarta, Campus 3. It is an experience that is not only interesting, but also one that changed my life in unexpected ways. This internship begin with adjusting to the new environment and understanding the culture. A language challenge can be a challenging experience, but an interesting way to connect with the people in the workplace. The topic of work is develop CO2 laser CNC machine to engrave ceramic mud. In the way of the work, we were given the opportunity to work on the design of a glass rotating device for laser CNC machine project. The task at our hand is to create a feature that can transform its movement from the y-axis to rotational motions. Working with a talent team allow us to learn and develop a new skill continually. We also have an opportunity to explore and learn about culture and traditional of this country. Yeah, and this is our design of the feature to uh, handle the mark and rotate it. When we already finished the design, we make a prototype of the feature and adjust the CNC laser. This is we set the position of a CO2 laser CNC machine for precision. Yeah, about the traditional country, we have been travel with culture content and learning about local history and art is a most memorable experience. Although there are different formats, resting on a vacation is not a problem. There's many places to relax and unwind during the weekend. This tip of preparing for an internship abroad are an important step in order for you to have a full and impressive experience. Here are some steps you can take to prepare. First, plan ahead. Planning is an important to help you prepare before your trip. This include preparing necessary documents such as the passports, visas, and other documents that may be a condition for entry into your destination country. Internship program, for example, we went on the IST internship program. Then study the local area and culture, learn about some of the country where you will be interested, including culture, history, or traditional food. Yeah, if the food is good, you will find. The emotional preparation, leaving the house and entering a new environment can cause a discomfort. Try to prepare emotionally by getting enough rest and familiarize yourself with the new with the new environment, and you need to prepare necessary equipment. That you need to check necessary documents such as a passport. Yeah, I told you before. And internet, you can choose to stream the signal or buy a mobile SIM card, and internet packet there. You don't forget about the universal adapters and the power packs. It's not just an internship. It is it is an experience that has a profound and lasting influence on our life. For me, it is a story that we will never forget. And like my professor told us, the fans are everlasting. Thank you. And next is a Q&A. Do you have any questions?
So, apakah ada yang mau bertanya ke mesin atau enggak? Oh, oke. We have from siapa Mas panggilannya? Carol ya?
You may call me Adrian.
Oh, Adrian.
Adrian.
Oke.
Okay.
So, langsung aja kalau itu.
All right, my question to I'm sorry, what is your nickname again?
My nickname is Machine.
Machine. Okay. So my question for you is, how hard was it to adjust into Indonesia? Likewise, this would be a question for me if I were to go outside of Indonesia. How hard would it be to get yourself familiarized with the landscape, the environment, and the cultures and such moving into another country? How hard was it for you?
For me, it's not hard because the Indonesia or Thai is just a similar culture, yeah, and landscape, yeah. And I have my friends, my Indonesia friends, to help me to travel and help me for food and what I want. Yeah, it's for me. It's not hard.
All right, I guess that's all that I have to ask. Thank you so much for your sharing your experiences with us here.
Yeah.
I will
So,
turn my mic off.
so is there another question for machine? Or maybe how the process of internships in general? So no, I guess. Wait. Before we go to the next session, I wanna ask to machine.
Okay.
What do you miss the most when you go back to Thailand after having 2 months spending in Indonesia?
What I miss too much. I miss you all. Yeah, I miss my friend. Yeah,
Thank you.
because we have spent a time just 2 months. Yeah, I so miss you all. And yeah, I miss about when we go there and when we work in the lab. Yeah, that's what the greatest time that I have.
So yeah, thank you very much. I'm flattered that you really miss me. Finally, someone from aboard that really know me well. Okay. Wait. So is Tay and Nice with you right now?
Not they not
No.
here. Yeah.
How about are they okay? They're still fine, right? They miss me too, right?
Yeah, they and nice talk to me with you all day. After we came back to Thailand, we talk about the internship in the Indonesia. Yeah, every day.
Only me? No one else? Maybe Kak Shani or Kak Heri, you know?
Yeah.
Oke. So, ya, jadi kawan-kawan semua kalau kita memang ngikutin internship ini, of course we will get many friends, from abroad, and it's just a great experience. Okay, so is there no other question? I think. Oh, okay. So Adrian want to ask again. Okay, go on.
This question is directed towards the internship program as a whole. Does IAST have internship programs that may or may not support us Atmajaya students to go outside of the Asian region, say going to Canada or America, or maybe the European side of things. Is that possible?
Just the right question, because yes, not only that EIST goes to you are going to internship to a country in Asian. We have someone who already have an internship program on Czech Republic. It's
Oh, that's
on
right.
Spotlight, yeah. So it's not just Asian. There's also
Mhm.
probably Europe. Also, if you want to go to America, you can. As in right now, I think our college is already handing the already in the nomination progress. So wait, maybe Kak Shani want to share a little bit about going in internship in Republik Czech, in Czech Republic.
Ya mungkin kalau IST itu sebenarnya bisa kemana aja asal negaranya itu juga ada IST komitenya. Nah itu kalau kamu mau cari magang-magang di sana itu sebenarnya ada websitenya. Ntar nanti aku kirimin di chat dan apa? Dan magangnya itu sebenarnya ada dua, ada yang magang exchange internship, jadinya kamu udah tanpa kompetisi sama negara-negara lain, tapi juga ada global internship. Kalau global internship itu kamu harus bersaing dengan mungkin ada aplikan-aplikan dari negara lain. Kalau prosesnya itu beda-beda sebenarnya ada yang pakai wawancara employer, ada yang enggak. Kalau kemarin magangku itu ke Czech Republic itu kebetulan dari Czech Republic-nya itu buka 2 kali. Jadi pertamanya aku daftar, terus ternyata buka lagi itu jadi ada temanku Iren juga di sini itu juga daftar. Jadi kita berdua magangnya bareng di sana. Kalau proyeknya itu kita di kampus gitu sih, tapi kalau mau nyari yang di perusahaan juga ada. Mungkin itu dulu sih, nanti berikut-berikutnya mungkin Arya mau nambahin.
Ya, jadi seperti itu. Kalau memang mau magang ke Eropa gitu. Mungkin ada yang mau ke Jepang itu, mungkin ada yang mau ke Korea Selatan. Kalau untuk Korea Utara kayaknya kita nggak buka ya. Mohon maaf.
Thank you
Uh,
for the
yeah.
valuable answer. I will try my best to look for programs in Canada.
You you should prepare really good for that, because winter it's gonna be hell.
And yeah, it's gonna be cold.
It's gonna be cold, but it's gonna be hell.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay,
Again,
so
thank you for the valuable
Yeah.
answer.
Is there another question? Wait, one people. Herianto Hibono, do you want to ask something?
Yes, tentu.
I'm sorry, but we cannot hear you well. Maybe you can chat it. You can type it on chat. So yeah, there you go. Kaheri said if you want to do an internship on Thailand, at Thailand. Can your campus be the intern place for the project?
I think it's impossible. I think it's possible to came here for internship. That we also have some intern from the abroad from friends come here to do a project with us. Yeah, I think it's possible. I will ask my professor if you want the information. Yeah, you can come here to our campus for internship. Yeah.
Hey, that's really great. I hope you can wait for me there. Me and Dimas, we will go there together.
Yeah. If I extend my my term, yeah, I will wait for you.
So is there another question? Maybe masihkah ada yang mau bertanya? Apakah masih ada yang mau bertanya? Mungkin kita tunggu sampai 3.30 ya. Kalau mungkin ada yang mau bertanya gitu. So, Machine, tell me what your everyday life activities, right now.
Right now, I wake up, go to my class, yeah, and come back to my project, the final project, yeah. But when we have a holiday, right, we go to some place that like a malls, or we sightseeing around the city. Yeah, it's have many place that you need to see, because it's beautiful, and I think it's the more will be the most great experience if you come here.
I will. Maybe next year. I don't know. I probably already bought the ticket, I think.
Okay.
So, wait, I have another question. What is like the most iconic or like the most memorable moment when you spend your time here?
The iconic moment that I think is when we rode a motorcycle to go to went to the I what I forgot the mountain, or
Oh, Bukit Sosok ya,
yeah, that's one.
where
Yeah,
we
that's
go through rice fields at night
yeah
without any lights.
yeah that's
Uh,
uh that's the memorable experience that I never forget.
yeah, I also never forget. Yeah, it's still frighten me until this day. Okay. So no question, right? I think because we have no more question, we could do documentation. Jadi sebelum sebelum kita akhiri acaranya, mungkin kita dokumentasi dulu ya. Mungkin yang lain bisa nyalakan kameranya biar lebih enak lah gitu kita dokumentasinya. Ayo yang lain kok cuma 8 orang yang buka. Oke. Ayo senyum dong, senyum ke kamera dong, ayo senyum. Senyum. Jangan ini, senyum. Oke. Oke, sudah ya sisi dokumentasinya? Ya cepat aja kok, cuma sebentar. Oke, mungkin sekian ya, acara sharing kami hari ini. Maybe I think this is the end. So I want to thank you for everyone for listening to me, to listening to Machine from start until the end. Jangan lupa juga untuk seri selanjutnya, ISTI akan mungkin menjelaskan sedikit tentang bagaimana proses registrasi dan juga preparasi yang baik jika memang kalian ingin, mengikuti internship ke luar negeri. Mungkin, itu saja dari saya. Eee, saya Arya Nugraha selaku MC. Jika ada kata-kata yang kurang berkenan, saya mohon maaf. Terima kasih semua. Thank you everyone. I think you can leave the meeting right now.
Thank you. Bye, bye, Harry. Bye, Arias. Bye, Kachani.
Bye,
Goodbye,
thank you so
Machine.
much.
Goodbye. Hey, wait for
Goodbye.
me. Wait for me in
Yeah.
Bangkok, alright?
I will wait for you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.